Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you how to look at feedback after your teacher has graded an assignment. So the first thing you can do is go to recent feedback. You click on the assignment. I'm in Mrs. Goskin's English 9 class and completed the vocab. Once you are there, you have to click on this view feedback. And if there were any comments on your paper, you would see it in this middle section here. I actually have already quote-unquote resubmitted this as I was playing with it, so those comments disappear after you make those changes and hit save. You also see Mrs. Goskin's smileys over here, so there's additional feedback. You can add a comment and then hit save. You can also add a voiceover with media, content, or attach a file if need be. And then you would just save. Now, I anticipated I would be able to just make any changes right in this document, but for some reason that's not the case. So, to make any resubmissions after looking at feedback, you then need to go back in your modules, go to Vocab Development 2 or whatever the assignment is, and make the changes in the original document. However, if you go in that way, you will not see the teacher feedback. So when I go into the modules, so if I'm like, oh, I want to see what my grade is, Vocab 2, you're just going to have your original assignment through the Google Doc or whatever is assigned. So you will not see any teacher comments. Another way, if you go home, instead of looking at the recent feedback, so let's say hypothetically that gets really busy because you have so much feedback from different teachers, you can go to grades. And you have to search through all this, find that Vocab 2. Oh, I turned it in late, I'm so naughty. And again, it's that same view, so you view feedback. Okay. And then again, the same comments over here. Now, I did notice, I'm also a student in Miss Norkett's room. I had attached a external document to one of her assignments, which I have to find again. And with that external assignment, there was a resubmit button right in where you would find the feedback. But it seems like, I asked Ms. Goskin, it seems like that's only with the external documents, because when she used the Google Doc, she still had unlimited submissions clicked under her assignment, and that resubmit button was not there. So if that resubmit button is not there, unfortunately, you have to go back to the original assignment, correct it there, and click save.